Wait, Key.
What's going on? What's the word? What's the word?
Come on, bro. How we do it? I gotta do it. Come on, y'all gotta guide me today. I gotta do it today. Like today, I'll put him inside the truck today,
okay,
bro.
okay.
You already know what it is.
Okay.
Hey, but there's a lot of stuff you can do out here. You can vlog out here, bro.
Okay,
Yeah.
gotta,
For sure.
all you gotta do is just guide it in between those two things.
Okay, so, all right, let me
You
see.
know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Two wheels gotta be on the outside.
All right, bet. Say less. Come on, let's do it.
Let's go.
See, y'all think that you gotta really just think about the people that gotta do this every day, bro.
For sure.
All right, you ready? Hold on, let me see.